Hello everyone, welcome back to Suma Yoga. This is Minu, certified yoga trainer. Are you having a chaotic mind and a tense body after a very busy day? Are you searching for a reset in just 15 minutes? Then this practice will help you. So, this practice will help you to relax the entire nervous system and slow down your mind. Let's get started. So, find a quiet place, coming to a comfortable seated position. Arms relaxedly placed on your thighs or knees. Eyes softly closed. Gently relax your face, shoulders, arms, chest, abdomen, legs. Slowly shifting the awareness on the breath. Start to deepen the breath so that it fills in your abdomen and gently comes out from the abdomen. Exhale completely out. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently open your eyes, starting with a neck stretch. So, tilting your neck towards the left shoulder. With your left hand, try to hold your head and take your right arm behind, wrapping your body. Slightly push the chest up and gently pull your neck towards the shoulder. A mild stretch. Focus on the breath and the stretch. Gently relax. To the other side. So tilting your neck towards the right shoulder. With the right arm, try to hold your head. Take your left arm behind, wrapping your body. Feel the stretch along the left side neck. Deepen your breath. Gently come back and relax. So coming to all four position for cat and cow stretches. So keeping your knees under your hips and hands under your shoulders. Inhale, try to push your chest down. Arch your back and look up. Exhale, hunch your back. Pull your navel in, bringing your chin towards your chest. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Few more times according to the pace of your breath. Gently relax. Let's go to puppy pose. So slightly widen both of your knees, keeping your ankle together. Walk your hands forward, dropping your chest down. Placing the forehead on the mat. Staying here for 3 breaths. Try to sink into the pose. Releasing the tightness in your chest, shoulders. 2 more breaths. Gently walk back. Go towards your child position, keeping both of your arms behind. So coming to a all four position. So take your right arm slightly forward. Inhale, take your left arm up. Exhale, thread it between your right arm and your right knee, placing the shoulder down. You can stretch your right arm. Stay there for 3 breaths. Gently, with the support of your right arm, come back up. Now, placing your left arm slightly forward, your right arm goes up. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, thread it between your left knee and your left arm, stretching your left arm. Stay there for 3 breaths. Gently come back and sit down on your child pose, keeping both of your arms behind. Deepen your breath. Gently come back up. Coming to the Sphinx position. So lying down on the abdomen with your elbows down under your shoulders. Lift your chest up. You can slightly move from side to side, coming to a comfortable position. You can also close your eyes. Feel the breath flowing through the chest, filling up the lungs. 3 more breaths here. Gently come down, keeping your forehead on your hands. Deep breath yourself. Slowly turning on and lying down on the back. Gently bend your left leg, lift your right leg up. You can interlock your hands, hold it under your thighs. Slowly pull your leg towards your chest, moving your ankle, toes to face back and up. Slow movements. Gently, you can bring your arms towards your shin bone or you can stay in the previous position. Gently pull your leg towards your chest. Find your limit and stay here for 3 breaths. Gently relax. Now bend your right leg, placing it on your left knee. Now just hold your left leg either under your thighs or on your shin bone. Inhale, exhale, slowly pull your knee towards your chest. Stay here. If your knee is getting strained here, you can flex your toes. 3 deep, slow breaths. Gently relax. Moving to the other side. So lifting your left leg up, either holding under your thighs or near your shin, calf muscles. So slowly starting to move your toes up and down. Relax. Now gently pull your leg towards your chest. 3 deep, slow breaths. Gently bend your left leg and place it on your right knee. Now holding your right shin bone or under your thighs. Inhale, exhale, pulling your knee towards your chest. Stay here, feeling a nice stretch along the left glutes. Staying here for 3 breaths. Gently relax. Deep breath yourself. Happy baby pose. So slightly lifting your soles of the feet. So you are going to hold your outer ridge of your foot. Now slowly widen your legs and bring your ankle straight towards your knee. Stay wherever it is comfortable. Gently rock from left to right to make the pose comfortable. Once you are comfortable, try to stay still, focusing on the breath and the pelvic opening. 3 breaths. Gently relax. Going towards a spinal twist. So keeping your left leg firmly, your right leg over your left leg. Now both of your hands at cactus arms. Inhale, exhale, dropping your right knee towards your left side. If comfortable, you can turn the face towards the right side. 3 breaths. Gently coming back and changing your leg. Left leg over your right leg. Inhale, exhale, drop your left leg towards the right side. Face towards your left side. 3 breaths here. Gently come back. Butterfly legs. Your right arm on your abdomen and your left arm on your chest. Try to become aware of the breath that naturally goes in and out. Try not to alter the breath. If mind wanders, be kind to yourself and gently bring the awareness back to your breath. Gently stretch both of the legs, both hands beside your body. Let go of all the efforts. Be effortless on the mat. Take a deep breath in. Slow breath out. Slowly turn on to your right side and come up to the seated position. Thank you so much. Hope this session helped you to calm down the mind, release the tightness in your body. Have a great day. Thank you.